Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Snickers Nougat. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need sugar, light corn syrup, honey, egg whites, and vanilla extract. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and helps prevent any last-minute scrambling. We'll cover the precise temperatures and mixing techniques needed to achieve that classic chewy, yet soft, nougat consistency. For the nougat base, combine 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of honey in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it reaches exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Simultaneously, in a stand mixer, whip 2 large egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This dual process is crucial for the nougat structure. Once your syrup reaches temperature, carefully and slowly pour it in a thin stream into the whipped egg whites while the mixer runs on medium speed. Continue mixing for about 5 to 7 minutes until the nougat thickens and cools slightly. Then, fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of roasted, salted peanuts. Quickly spread the warm, sticky nougat evenly into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with greased parchment paper. Let the nougat cool and set completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or even overnight for best results. Once firm, lift it from the pan using the parchment paper and cut it into 1 inch by 2 inch bars. You can then dip these in melted chocolate for a true Snickers experience. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your homemade Snickers Nougat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.